I'm Vincent Peniel Ward. I'm a student at Michigan State University, and I'm finishing up my spring semester 2023. I took a couple classes this semester that I'm making this video for. It is ISP205 and ISP205 Lab. Those classes are astronomy classes, not necessarily for scientists or people wanting to be scientists, but they are for just people wanting to expand their knowledge and have a basic understanding of some things in regards to a science. But we covered a lot of things, Milky Way galaxy, stars, space in general. But one of the topics I found interesting was the stars, or the HR diagram that I have pulled up here on my laptop. So as you can see, it's on the y-axis, that is the luminosity, or it's a star's brightness. On the x-axis, it is going by temperature in Kelvin. And one thing to note is that it's going opposite as to what a normal graph would be. It is going largest to smallest as instead of smallest to largest. But with that being said, I'm going to jump in a quick explanation here. These are just all of these stars that are that we know of that are notable. Our sun is right there. Sun is right there. It is essentially a middleman. It is right there, essentially in the middle in terms of its brightness and luminosity, and it's not necessarily in the middle in terms of its temperature, but it's getting close. And everything above it is larger, brighter stars. So all of these up here above our sun are larger, brighter stars, and in some cases, some of them, like over here in this top left corner, are hotter stars. Over here, not necessarily. We have some larger and brighter stars, but cooler stars compared to our sun. So this graph is, I would say, pretty simple to read if you're just wanting to look at brightness and temperature in comparison to each star. But as I said, essentially everything in this top left corner here is larger, brighter, and hotter stars compared to our sun. Everything over here in this part of the graph is larger and brighter, but not as hot as our sun. Then everything down here in this bottom right corner is all stars that are not as bright and not as hot as our sun, which is kind of crazy to think about. I went into this class not having any information and not having any background knowledge on these topics, but I found it interesting, and I hope you do too, and hopefully it'll get you to explore these topics a little bit more and get into it a little bit more.